Hey, let me tell you a secret. You have the prettiest smile. This is the best spot you'll ever find me. Oh, hi, Mom. Whoops.
Do you leave your bedroom door when you sleep? Expert says it's better to leave open.
Okay, I'm well aware that this is not a talent, but this is like the only thing that I can do.
In my head and they won't.
Agent Hunt. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to retrieve a package in transit.
And what is it?
Classified. Find the convoy, take possession of the package, report back to base. Plain and simple.
It's never simple. What's the catch?
There's one, a rogue super agent.
Drop the package.
Bring it on.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
How can you let an animal sleep in your bed? And I always say, they have to sleep somewhere. It's not their fault, they're human.
You know, people say love is blind. I think it's true. Because I'm blinded by your brightness. Great things. Like murder. Don't do that though. Unless it's completely necessary.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.
I can't do negative today. Positive vibes, positive vibes. You see how I'm patiently waiting while my owner uses the bathroom? Very mindful, very demure. I'm not gonna jump up on their lap to give them space and privacy.
Cutest cat breed. Introducing the Scottish Foulwold, a breed that's as adorable as it is unique. Originating from Scotland as their name suggests, the Scottish Fold is known for its unusual ears, which fold forward and downward, giving them an owl-like appearance. This distinctive feature is due to a natural genetic mutation, and it's what makes them stand out in the cat world. But their appeal isn't just in their looks. Scottish Folds are known for their sweet, calm, and easygoing nature. They're incredibly affectionate and love to be involved in every aspect of their family's life. Whether it's following you around the house or curling up in your lap, they crave companionship. They're playful and curious, but not overly active, making them perfect for indoor living. Scottish Folds are adaptable and get along well with children and other pets, making them ideal family cats.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
If you see this, you're my best friend. That's not pretend. No, you've got me until the end. Thanks for everything. It's cringe, but it is true.
How many taps until your pet gets mad?
People say I need to lose weight, but the only reason I'm chunky is because a tiny body couldn't store all this personality.
Hello, it's me. So what did you do while I was gone today?
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month, or no?
Oh, look, a strawberry. Oh, look, a strawberry.
I love it when people ask me like, oh, are you free tonight? No, I'm tired. I'm old. Back hurts. Asthmatic. Leave me alone.
Did you know that if you wash your cat with a wet toothbrush, it reminds them of their mother?
I'm sleeping, don't bother me. I said don't. You're bugging me, you're bugging me. You're gonna pay for this when you're asleep. Get that camera out of my face.
How are you doing?
Not good.
Oh, why?
I don't know. I'm grouchy. Attack! Tell me why you won't give me some good steak. Tell me why you won't give me a cheesecake. Tell me why you never give me what I want. And I want a croissant.
The difference between me and Superman. Superman has supervision. I require supervision.
Stop! What you did was illegal. Bad moods aren't allowed.
Have you ever noticed that cats have a way of finding the people who need them?
I'm a cat. Of course, I wait until you have guests to clean my privates.
I'm a cat. Of course, if someone leaves the door to the microwave open, I'm going in.
I'm a cat. Of course, I have a million cat beds, but prefer to sleep in the cupboard.
I'm a cat. Of course, I am going to make sure you have cat hair on all of your clothes.
My mom told me that we were gonna sit here by the window and try on cat filters, and I had to rate them 1 out of 10. So here we go. Okay, number 1. I think it's pretty cute. You guys might laugh at me, but, look, I can rock this. 9 out of 10. This is ridiculous. What am I, a freaking joke to you? Why don't you just have kids already and leave me the heck alone? Negative 100 out of 10. I'm bored because, obviously I look cute in this. I'm gonna look cute in all of them. 8 out of 10. So I'm definitely more of a Taco Bell girly, but, I can totally rock this one too. 7 out of 10. Oh my god. 100 out of 10. Look at these lashes. I look fabulous.
Trying the Lego filter.
These beautiful things that I've got. I want you, I need you, oh God.
What is the meaning of life? And why do I have 9 of them? And when is dinner?
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
La 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 la. Da da da. Da da da. Da 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 la 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 la. Da da da. Da da da. La 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 la. Da da da.
Today my mom told me she no longer loves me and I am up for adoption.
That is not what I said. I said you can't have second dinner.
That's the same thing.
Raise your hand if you want garlic breadsticks. Raise your hand if you want buffalo chicken wings right now.
Why do cats purr? You might think it's because they're happy, and you're not wrong, but there's so much more. Cats will also purr when they're ill or injured, and this is where it gets interesting. A purr is the vibration of a cat's vocal cords caused by neurological stimulation from brain activity, and the frequency of this vibration is between 25 and 140 hertz, which happens to be the vibrational frequency that helps heal bones and wounds, and at the same time releases endorphins, which helps lower stress and blood pressure. So today's tip is your cat is a healing machine. While it is true that purring is usually a sign of happiness, pay attention to this unique vibration to see when your cat is trying to heal himself or you.
So I've been on a diet now for 2 weeks, and I am happy to report that I have lost 14 days of happiness.
The person you have dialed has reached their people limit for the day. Please hang up and try back tomorrow.
Have you ever wondered how we cats see you? We think of you as a big cat with strange behaviors. When you go to work, we think you're going hunting. When you come back with Babs, we believe you're a great hunter. If you stay away from home for too long, we think you've been attacked by a bigger animal.
Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Do do do
Why can't I go outside?
The outside world is a dangerous place, filled with horrible, selfish people. You must stay here, where you're safe. Do you understand, Flower?
Yes, Mommy.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Chris.
And bam! The kitty police will come right through that front door and take you straight to cat jail. But only if you don't cuddle with Mom. It's true, I swear. It happened to Leo the other day. Remember that grouchy orange cat who lives down the street? You don't believe me, but it happened. We can call 911 to check with the police.
It's 7:03 and I don't know if you're still sleeping or not, but I wanted to make sure you knew it was 7:03 and you know I usually eat breakfast at 7:02, so.
I don't see what she sees, but maybe it's 'cause I'm wearing your cologne.